Hello everyone, welcome back to Awesome SaamOnion. I'm Sugesh here with a new video. You my friend, you would have watched plenty of videos on YouTube shot from above. They are called overhead top-down videos. Let me give you some hint here. Such videos you would have watched on YouTube could be a cooking or a craft making video or a painting or a drawing video or could be an unboxing video. Ever wondered how they have been shooting it? I did. I really wanted to do it on my own someday. Let's do it today. We are going to see how to shoot top-down videos for YouTube. And my friend, that sounds interesting. Let's hop into the video. To take a top-down video, set your phone camera on the tripod in landscape position. The preferable video ratio for YouTube is 16:4, which is a landscape view. And you know, the resolution of a human eye is 576 megapixel. And that is huge, man, when you compare it to a 12 megapixel of an iPhone 7 camera. So naturally, our human eye sees in a landscape view, not in portrait view. So when you're shooting for YouTube, it is always preferable to shoot in a landscape view. Let's now see the outcome of the video we shot using top-down camera approach. So here comes our tiny vintage gramophone. It's just a showpiece, not a working model. Let's watch the before and after footage of the videos side by side. The video on the right side is a cropped version to get a neat view. And there are many other techniques vloggers use to shoot their overhead shots, and this is one among them. And if you like this goddamn teeny weeny vintage gramophone, I've provided the link in the description. You can check it out. Give a thumbs up to my video if you like it and subscribe to my channel Awesome SaamOnion and press the bell icon for notification of new videos. So I will see you in a different video. With that note, this is Sugesh, your Awesome SaamOnion signing off. Let's be awesome. Take care. Tada. Bye bye.